What is going on? My name is AlTone, and first of all, welcome to my studio / office space. And I'm always looking for storage, and today I wanted to share with you my NSF certified storage rack. Now this one is fantastic. It's a 6-shelf storage rack, 18 inches by 48 inches, and it also has casters. One of the things that I really love about this storage shelf is, well, first of all, it's really heavy duty, but it's also, I've actually put it together myself. I didn't have any help putting this guy together. It is rather heavy, so when you get the boxes, you may need some help moving the box around, but just opening up the box, pulling the parts out, and assembling it. Just assemble it most likely in the space in which you're going to use it in, unless you're in a really open garage space. But it's really nice and very sturdy. I could basically stand on this thing, it's so strong. The other thing I like about it is you can put the bottom half together and then screw the top half of the legs on because they come in 2 pieces. Just put your casters on first, or put the feet on and adjust the height the way you want it. The thing I do like about it as well is these little tabs here on, I call them tabs because I don't know what else to call them, on the bars here on the supports on the side, basically give you are perfectly spaced apart. And they basically give you a measurement. So if you're actually trying to make sure that all of these are shelves are spaced apart pretty much the same, you can count the amount of these little marks here and be able to get your shelves almost completely perfect. For the other shelves, we have quite a few. I mean, a lot of them. For the other ones, we have them spaced apart perfectly, so these boxes actually fit. And these are just being recycled boxes, shipping boxes from us receiving things. And then because I'm doing a little bit different things here in my office space, I need to store some different things, I've actually adjusted the height. So you might want to have, if you have like these types of file containers that you're going to use, or if you have some boxes that you're going to use, you may want to have them handy, or just have a tape measure handy so you can measure out the shelf height for each one of the shelves so you can very easily use it for what you want to use it for. Another quick tip is if you have a space before you order it, because you can get this shelf in different sizes with different amounts of shelves, measure the space off from which you're going to use it, and also measure the depth to know how far from the wall or wherever the actual footprint of where it's going to take up. Make sure that you know what that is and it's accurate for you. And if you know, again, what size boxes or types of items you plan on storing, measure those items, or at least have the measurement of those items so that you can order the proper shelving unit. And I'm telling you, this one is perfect for me. I don't have a ton of office space. Actually, my office is pretty large, but I don't have a ton of storage space here in my office. So this one works out phenomenally well for me. I really like it. I actually have, the other thing I like about it is you can order individual parts. So I actually have some more uprights on order because we have about 4 or 5 additional shelves that aren't used elsewhere that are just sitting aside that I'm going to actually put together using these uprights and the feet that come with it. I'm going to go ahead and put together another shelving unit to sit behind this one so I can have a little bit more storage space. That was going to be sitting on the wall. I'm not going to order casters for it, but since this one has casters, I can easily move it out and get to what I need to and slide them back in, and it's only going to take up a little bit more floor space for me. So I hope that I have provided you with some value today. I hope that this helps you in some way. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and checking out my storage unit. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.